So Vishwanath was trying to solve this dilemma, and he was so desperate and so mad that he gave up all eating and took a vow. Unless I can solve this mystery of why there's how is there 24 and a half moons on the body of Krishna represented, and these 24 and a half syllables, aksharas, are in the Kam Gayatri, I'll die. So he was fasting like that. Then Radharani appeared in a dream, darshan. And she said, listen, maybe dream, whatever, for him, it's all jagrata, it's all waking state. So Radharani appeared and said, oh, Vishwanath, what are you doing? There's no need for this fasting. This is my place. And you know, Krishna's Kaviraj, he consulted one shastra called Vag Samhita. Vag means Saraswati. So some book called Vag Samhita or something. And in there it explains that what these 24 and a half moons are on Krishna's body. So the half moon is the Ardha Chandra tilak on Krishna's forehead. So that's the half moon. There's like a little, Krishna has this, Ardha Chandra, like we say crescent moon. So why give up your life? It's not a problem. So these gopis are like this. They're totally hopeless. In other words, do you ever feel like that in Krishna consciousness? You want to quit and run away? So the Braja Gopis they're teaching us in this search for Krishna how to contain your desperation and replace your hopelessness with hope and keep searching. Because the gopis don't give up. They don't just ask the trees, where's Krishna? They're not saying, oh, forget it, let's quit. Well, of course, that's a good idea also. But they don't do that. What do? They keep searching. So they keep searching for Krishna.